Hey loves, if you guys want to stay tuned and watch how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys this nail look. It was definitely inspired by the movie Frozen. The first thing I am doing is basically adding a thin layer of clear acrylic to my natural nail bed, connecting to the fake nail tip. The only reason why I do that is because I don't want my nail to get, discolored or anything like that. I mean, it's not like it's going to happen whenever you are using covers. It's just, I personally like doing that because it's easy to change nail styles as well whenever I'm filing off the nail design. But that's just my opinion. That's my preference. So right now I am going to be using my Beauty Galleria number 4 Klinsky brush. And I am using my Mia Secret rose or pink blush. I'm not sure which one it is. Mostly all the products that I use will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. So I am using my glitterbel odorless monomer that is activated by LED lamp. And I am trying to do my little mango seed, my little almond seed shape. I'm trying, you guys. It's definitely in the works. It's not something that I am or have perfected. I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying. But there is nothing that the e-file or a nail file can fix. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this beautiful pastel baby blue color. This one is from the Mia Secret Macaroon collection. You guys can use whatever you guys have. I mean, if you guys are going to try to recreate this look, take whatever you like. And if you don't like something, just discard it. Do it as you will like it to be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit that little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos. Bye!